Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience and also a career strategist. So today in this video, I'm reviewing one of the most searched digital marketing course in India, that is the TechStack digital marketing course in Delhi. And it is the ranked number one institute for the corporate, digital marketing course. It is a Delhi-based institute known for its advanced digital marketing programs. And this review covers all of the important and this review covers all of the and this review covers all of the important aspects from curriculum, and the practical exposure to placement fees and the reviews and the risk, right? So before I start, the course which I personally trust and recommend is linked in my description box. You can definitely go and check this out as well because they even provide the money back guarantee and the 100% placement guarantee as well. You can compare it with another options as well. But now, if I talk about the digital marketing field itself, it's such a broad field with opportunities in social media, SEO, content writing, Google Ads, email marketing, website optimization, and more. And the technical skills are the second thing, but the companies at first will look at your communication, analytical ability, creativity, and your portfolio as well. And especially if I talk about the digital marketing agencies and the ad agencies, they love creative minds. So any course should not only teach you the tools, but they should also help you in building your mindset. The thing is, the outcome is you don't need to know everything. You just need to be great at one or two focused areas to be a good one. Now coming to the course review. So basically they are claiming as ranked number one institute for the digital marketing, and they have trained 18,000 plus professionals in digital marketing course in Delhi. And they're even claiming as to be rated as 9.8 by 10 on the Google. They have classroom and live online mentorship available as well. So the next batch is starting from the 11th August 2025, right? So the tech stack delivers a robust program ranging from the 3 to 18 months, and they are covering, let's go to the curriculum directly. So the curriculum is basically into the SEO, social media, email campaigns, analytics, affiliate marketing, Twitter marketing, video marketing, AI-driven strategies as well, and the website creation. The curriculum is somewhere very nice because they are covering from basic to advanced, and they're even covering the career assistance where you will learn the resume building, mock interviews, one-to-one mentorship, and the career fair. So this is again a good point here, and they are covering program certificates from the Oranges India and TechStack Academy. The certifications are from the top platforms, plus live projects and the mandatory internships are there. And the languages and tools which are covered in the digital marketing courses are HTML, CSS, WordPress, AI, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Google Analytics as well. So these are the tools which are advanced. And now, if I talk about the hands-on training, so they are covering the tools like HRF, SEMrush, Google Analytics, Canva, and more. So they are even including the personalized doubt sessions, quizzes after each module, ebooks, and the weekly sessions, presentations, and a supportive classroom environment near the Saket Metro, I guess. These are the program features because you will be getting 25 plus case studies, 300 plus hours of intensive digital marketing learning, and the portfolio worthy projects. The career opportunities are SEO specialist, PPC manager, social media manager, digital marketing executive. So even if you are starting your own startup, then you can go with this course as well. So the faculty is from IBM, Google, and Infosys. These are the professional ones. There are 50 plus professors for this particular course, and the 1800 plus industry mentors, and the 7 plus award-winning faculty members. So the course is somewhere very professional. So even it is for the both offline and online, and they're even providing you a 100% job placement model in which they are even providing you the 17 certifications guaranteed for the digital marketing itself, and students engage through the mock interviews, resume support, and the hiring fairs. So alumni that major firms like the SEL, KPMG, and Infosys. It means it's a professional one course. You can go with that. And fee starts from the 11,000 per month. And if you go with the one-time payment, then the comprehensive PG level programs cost around the 1.32 lakh. They both are offering EMI options. So this is again a positive point. If you can't afford the full-time payment or one-time payment, then you can go with the EMI option as well. So now TechStack has also received a strong praise for its well-structured faculty and hands-on exposure. Now, if I come to the Google rating, so it is being rated as 4.8 with 1,45,000 plus students trained over, and as they have mentioned that they are rated as 4.8 on the Google with 1,45,000 plus students trained and over 500 hiring partners, which they have also mentioned here that they have their hiring partners like Genpact, Raptor, Ellen, Forbes, etc. So these are some good brands, right? And however, rated through my honest verdict, then if I talk about the course curriculum and relevance, so it is somewhere very nice because they have covered the advanced module as well. I will give it one. The certification and the recognition are 19 plus. I will give it one again. The mode of learning is offline and they have offline bands and they have classrooms available as well. And the online option is too good. So I will give it one again. The trainer's expertise and the industry experience is again quite good because they have a in-house faculty with a strong students testimonial and the mentor-led sessions and the reviews available. I will give it one. There are 40 plus tools which they are covering, including the SEMrush, Google Analytics, Shopify, MailChimp, Canva, etc. So this is again one. And the placement support and the career guidance is 100% placement assistance. And the hiring partners are HCL, KPMG, Accenture, and the mock interviews are also there. But I will give it zero point 0.5 because they are lacking with the money back guarantee and in the course duration and the fee structure. So it is again something very good because they have a 3 to 18 months program and the fees is 11,000 per month, which is slightly, which is slightly higher than others. So I will give it zero point 0.5 because the fee structure is not that much affordable. And after course support is lifetime access to the LMS and the recorded sessions and the doubt sessions. I will give it one because they have done a good job here. The reviews and the reputation of institute is again good. I will give it one. The hands-on learning and the practical exposure, they have covered 10 plus live projects, one internship, real-time simulations, and the weekly assignments. They have again done a good job. I will give them one. So the total becomes 9 out of 10, which is a decent and a good score for this institute. So basically, tech stack digital marketing course appear well tailored for the career starters or freelancers who are looking for the real training and the industry exposure. But just be sure to be confirmed with the trainers, check student portfolios, and evaluate job placement clarity before enrolling. Because it's the new one institute and it is not that much famous in the market. And now, if you again, I will talk about my personal recommendation that if you want a course with structured mentorship and real tools training, check in the link which I have given in my description box. It is my top recommendation, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. And subscribe for more authentic reviews. I will see you in the next video with another institute review. Till then, thanks for watching.